My father was killed in the war. The ship was torpedoed in 1942, and my eldest brother was also a seaman, and his ship was lost in the war. And my third brother, who, well, you know the name Arthur, he was in the Royal Air Force, and they crashed coming back from France. I think the plane caught fire, and he died in 1944. They crashed in Salford on the Royal Lancaster planes. So I've lost 3 of my family. My mother lost. I was small, so it didn't affect me as much, as the others. I was the baby of the family. But I think that's an awful lot of people in one family to be killed in a war. Yes, it must have been terrible. But my mother was one of those old-fashioned, strong women, because she had other children. I don't know how she did it. I don't know. She was, she was in a terrible state. But at that time, people don't realize how many of our parents and grandparents went through in that war.